Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into an incredibly exciting topic, career resilience. It's a term that gets thrown around a lot, but let me tell you, it's more than just a buzzword. Think of it as your ability to bounce back stronger when life throws unexpected challenges your way. Picture this. You're a rubber band. You stretch with challenges, but if you give yourself a moment to snap back, you emerge even stronger.
Oh, wow. I totally get that. It's like cleaning your room procrastination, isn't it? The longer you put it off, the more overwhelming it gets.
Absolutely. When you finally tackle that mess, it feels so liberating. But facing those feelings is essential. So when you hit a setback, whether it's a job application that didn't go your way or a project pitch that fell flat, allow yourself to feel that disappointment. You might want to jot it down in a journal. It really helps to get those emotions out.
Oh, that's interesting. So, what you're saying is that acknowledging it is like the first step towards overcoming it?
Exactly. After you've processed that emotional hit, you need to separate your identity from your job title. So many people tie their self-worth to what they do for work. It's like saying, I'm a failure because I'm currently unemployed. Your skills and what you contribute don't disappear just because you're between jobs.
Okay, but that seems really tough. I mean, I know people who are super attached to their careers. How does one even start to untangle that identity?
Great question. It's definitely a journey. Think of it like navigating a labyrinth. You might get lost a few times along the way, but remember, being lost doesn't define you. Resilience involves redefining progress, too.
Oh, wow. Redefine progress? So does that mean we should be celebrating the small wins instead of only focusing on the big goals?
Bingo! Progress can be tiny steps, like updating your resume or reaching out to an old colleague for a coffee chat. It doesn't all have to be grand achievements. It's about consistent movement. Life isn't a sprint, it's more like an epic marathon, filled with those little checkpoints along the way.
Oh, I love that. So it's totally okay to take, small steps towards my goals and still feel accomplished, even if I'm not at the finish line yet?
Exactly. While you're on that journey, it's crucial to reconnect with your why, reflecting on what truly excites you, and considering who you want to impact can be your guiding star through uncertainty.
Like a personal compass. Do you have any personal stories where you had to reconnect with your why?
Oh, definitely. There once was a time in my career when I felt incredibly disillusioned. I had taken a job that paid decently, but I wasn't passionate about it at all. After some soul-searching about my purpose, what made my heart race, I realized I wanted to write and share stories that would inspire others. I relied on the belief of mentors and friends who saw potential in me, even when I struggled to see it myself.
That's so inspiring. But how did you even reach out to those mentors? What if they don't respond?
Great point. It can be intimidating to put yourself out there, but sometimes you've got to take a leap. When you borrow someone else's belief, you remind yourself of your abilities. Imagine a friend saying, "Hey, you rock at this. Don't dismiss it." It's like a, confidence booster.
Got it. A kind of, confidence snack or something, huh?
Exactly. The goal is to build an emotional safety net. Surround yourself with supportive individuals who can listen, help you manage your emotions, and remind you that you're never alone in this. It's essential to have your circle.
Wow, that sounds so healthy. It's almost like assembling a team before going into battle, right?
I love that analogy. You're gearing up for the battles in your life with the right people beside you. And one last very important tip. Don't forget to shift your narrative.
So it's all about changing the story you tell yourself? Like, I'm not failing, I'm learning?
Exactly. You're not behind. You're just in a phase of reconstruction. And every step forward, no matter how insignificant it feels, matters. Just be that resilient rubber band. Stretch, and then bounce back.
Wow. I feel so much more empowered now. Thank you for sharing all this. This is really helpful.
I'm so glad to hear that. Remember, resilience is a journey, and it can lead to some amazing places.
Yeah, I can't wait to start applying these concepts today. You're awesome.